Well folks, welcome back. What's good? Didn't record an intro for this vlog at the time. Cameron texted me last minute sort of saying, do you want to go out for a little impromptu ride? So I went to a local spot. I was showing him a few new routes. He was sort of teaching me a few things. He was teaching me how to jump gaps, and he was also showing me his routes around the forest and things like that. So it turned out to be a really great night's riding. So yeah, enjoy.
Not so up. On the pegs, boys! On the pegs! First time I've done that. I need to stop sitting on my arse, because it actually makes shit a lot harder. The hard part here is actually getting back down again. It's not that enjoyable.
So Clark's going to try and do this little gap. Something that he said he struggles with is keeping the front wheel up, and yeah, just jumping over the little ditches. So I'm going to give this an attempt. I'd like come up to it,
Just got a wee
body kind of here.
bounce to the pegs.
Like, so it's just the bike kind of.
Yeah, and then so as you're coming back up again, as you're hitting the bottom, just hit the wee clutch a bit, stuff like that.
The most important thing is just keep your front wheel up.
That's my problem.
But like, to do that, it's all about your body weight, where it is on the bike. See if you're like here,
Yeah.
like you need to be like balls of the feet on the pegs.
Yeah.
And like just kind of like in this kind of position, like your legs need to be not straight up, but kind of bent a bit.
Alright.
See if you can carry your speed the whole way up to it. It's kind of just a matter of just carrying your speed out over it, like it's not there. Or else you can come slow and blip it, but see what Clark does this time. See,
To get this clean, like.
that time there was too much like hesitance, and then you blipped it, you know.
Yeah.
Whereas if you were to come into it a bit quicker and do that blip at the same time, you'd be out over it, no sweat. It's this kind of stuff with enduro that if you get good at it, makes your life a lot easier than getting stuck in these little dikes. Is that the word? It's not. That's all lesbian Clark. Oh, like Clark. What's better? I hope I'm getting the filming credit for this, like. Off-brand UK. Like and subscribe. Lot better, like.
What's that? Yeah. What's down there like? Could you get down there? On the other side of the tree there, no? Yeah, so we're on a mission. Find my goggles. Not sure where I even lost them. I think I set them down here when the spokes got jammed with that log. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be there.
Well, what did you do?
The fuck knows?
Mate!
I don't know for sure. I'll be honest, I don't even know where that is. There they are.
Voila.
The basic goggles.
By pure accident. See when you come down here past that wee log, there's like just one of those wee pictures you gotta walk over.
The three. Yeah. Gap jumping expert now.
Being able to do that kind of stuff helps so much.
Getting after it, just putting it out there, the camera is a much better rider than me, and it keeps on leading me into shit that I shouldn't be doing.
Either go over the wall or straight up, but we'll go straight up just to save it.
Go over the wall, fuck that.
Yeah?
Go over the wall.
Alright, well, let me try it because I'm done.
We're feeling good tonight. I didn't realise jump off was that big. Hey, what, we're feeling it tonight. We're feeling it. Woo. Oh fuck, that hurt. Oh, cut my elbow. Oh.
Go pro.
What?
Go pro, clean it off you like.
Well, that didn't go to plan, did it?
Nah, I think that was one too many hills for the day, Clark.
Right. Oh fuck, we're getting this back down.
Oh, see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you in the next one.